What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to taste test a brand new 2024 Department of Defense United States of America. I never seen a MRE like that says on it, and this is yeah, there's the code right here. Beautiful. So MRE, meal ready to eat, individual, warfighter recommended, warfighter tested, warfighter approved. Cool. And all that. Yeah, United US government property, commercial sale is unlawful. So, but I got it from the actual company who makes it. So United States, very cool. I'm not reselling it, I'm consuming it. Let's go. So very different right here. Okay, let's see. This is elbow, macaroni, and tomatoes in tomato sauce. Cool. And this is the 240 colors with the box. Wow. Mango, peach, applesauce. Cool. Very sealed. It meant to be like very tight and compact. That's why they designed the packaging this way, completely different what it used to be. A bread, multi-loaf, sliced whole wheat. Okay, accessory pack. I'll open it in a second. Peanut butter, recovery bar, salted caramel marshmallow crisp. Okay, then we have isotonic drink, chocolate protein drink powder, 280 calories, spoon, strawberry jam, crusted red pepper, we'll use that, and this new heat packs. Awesome. So 2023 MREs is very similar. The main difference obviously is contents, and the packaging is super different. Okay, let's see what's in here. Gum, paper towels, sugar, zero calorie sweetener, freeze dried coffee, creamer non-dairy, towelette, sugar, and pepper. There you go, salt and pepper. I might need that. Okay, let's where is it? There it is. Let's prepare everything. So I love United States MREs because they are so easy to prepare in a field while you camp and whatever. So fold this, then the food is going to go in here. That's it. Now, as usual, if you guys watch my videos regularly, I say it every time. Do not overfill it, do not underfill it. Right between these two lines. They do not say it, but that's what it's actually supposed to happen. Okay, get some water. Let's do it. So you will have to bring your own canteen or find a source of water. So I'm going to stand it up, and so that way I can see. It really does not take too much water. Oh, kind of overfilled a little bit. So what I do is like I dump a little bit of water out, and it's not a big deal. Kind of between those lines. I'm happy with that. I think these things are just too good anyways. Anyway. Ooh, it's getting too hot instantly. So back in the day, 5 years ago, this heaters was kind of weak. Then I did like a Chinese or Japanese, Japanese MRE, and those heaters were so hot. So they definitely upgraded it to where it's incredibly hot instantly. So next I just put it somewhere sideways like that. So I'll put it down here. on the ground out of the way so I have more space. So chocolate protein drink. So I think we can mix it with cold water. Chocolate protein drink. I think so, yeah. So it doesn't. We don't have any matches that they include in. So I'm pretty sure there's a fill line right here, and we will drink it out of the pouch. All I have to do is just add water from the canteen or water source. But for like to show you like demonstration purposes, I'll show you what it looks like inside here. A lot of chocolate. That's beautiful. Need another bottle of water. Let's do it. Bring it closer to me. Knocking my camera over and everything. Alright, let's mix that. Chocolate protein. Probably need a lot of water. There you go. I'll be happy with that, I think. A spoon. And probably want to do that first before I even warm up the food, because it takes a while to mix it all up. Yeah, protein drink, you mix it with cold water, right? Yeah, that's it. I'm over here trying to figure it out. Is it a hot chocolate? No, it's not. Because it has chocolate in it, it doesn't mean we need to make it hot. It is a protein drink. Chocolate protein drink. Has a bunch of little like things that will not dissolve. That's why I want to do that first from now on. Okay, now let's bring my tray out. Not that I'm going to do this in the field. This right here, we'll be drinking it like it's out of a drinking pocket, out of a bottle. But again, demonstration purpose, so we see what it looks like. Yeah, applesauce. Beautiful. Oh, I need a napkin. Making a mess already. So tissue right here. Okay. Recovery bar. Ooh, double sealed. Great. I think I just dated. That is cool. That is definitely new. So like a cereal bar, pretty heavy. Just put it right here. Alright, where's my bread? Sliced. Oh my goodness, look at that. I can have peanut butter jelly sandwich. Love it. Wow, that looks nice. Okay, there's peanut butter. I need help. There's peanut butter. It's good. Get a little taste of it. There's a strawberry jelly. I like strawberry jelly probably the most. And it's gonna come out like this. Squeeze it all out. Beautiful. And I guess I could have a spoon or a knife, but they only give us one spoon, so I could just squish it all out. Wow, that bread is so unique. That's it. Such an interesting texture to the bread. Okay, now food is still warming up. Let's see. Once it's done, we're going to put the food right here. Let me clean it off a little bit. So see how protein shake doing. Have all the chocolate and sugar on top. Gotta mix it more. So just consuming colors looks like, I don't know how appetizing that is. Beautiful. Okay, it's been like a few minutes. Let's see how this is doing. This used to be never be warm enough. After keeping it in there, I'm just mixing in the pocket. Right now it's incredibly hot, so I'm very certain that this is going to be warm. Oh yeah, this is definitely warm. It's too hot to the touch right here. And that pocket could be still used for another meal. It's just so hot. Love it. Okay, let's see. So the way in a field to eat it, put all the food down and look at that steam. That's what I'm talking about. It's so hot, it's steaming. It's still working, and it's already warmed up my food. Incredible, so good. So the way in the field I'll be eating it, I'd have to open it like this, and we don't need a plate, we don't need a scrubby, we don't need to cook our food in one of those things. This is on a go. Boom, just use a spoon and eat it. Nice. And what I learned, this is why they give us salt. You just might as well salt it the other way. A lot of salt in there. And pepper. I like salt and pepper. Ooh, this is good kind of pepper. Look like pizza now. Alright, let's clean off my spoon. I know what's happening with this chocolate protein. It's looking much better now. Alright, let's clean my spoon. Now I kind of wish we had more napkins. But again, in the field it'd be a bit different. I'd be drinking it out of the pocket. Alright, now let's taste test everything. That's hilarious. It really does smells like pizza. Let's try this. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. It is so good. Yeah, salt in it and putting pepper on it. Now that I learned after eating so many of them, makes it taste a lot better. That's good. It's very flavorful. Got some spiciness. That pepper is hot. Wow, that's delicious. Okay. Now let's try this mango applesauce. Wow. Definitely very sweet. A lot of flavor of mango and the texture of applesauce. I'm sure a lot of you guys heard it before. Cereal bar. Here it is. Okay, but let's break it in half. So that way I can bite into the good part. Wow, that bread is so good. Where can I buy just the bread? This is really good. Peanut butter jelly sandwich. Wow. Okay. The shake looks like it mixed up pretty good now. I used to work out. I was a swimmer for like 14 years. Went to Olympic Reserve School and everything. And I drank before protein shakes, different flavors. It tastes just like a protein shake, like a regular protein chocolate shake. So all those guys who work out and drink protein shake, you know what it tastes like. Okay, and gum, probably spearmint. Let's see. Honestly, my favorite part was the bread. This is definitely a major upgrade. And it's already sliced in half. Yeah, the gum is definitely spearmint. So yeah, very cool. 2024 United States MRE. Hopefully I keep finding some cool unique MREs. And if you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, if you're new. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.